What are we learning to show?
Uncle.
What are we learning to show?
Uncle.
Now you guys have been chosen because you guys have some knowledge about fractions, and there are some children in our class who do not have that much of knowledge about fractions. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do about it?
Teach.
We're gonna
teach them.
We're gonna show Uncle to them and teach them.
And teach them. So if you are going to teach your buddies, how are we going to teach them fractions? Where should we start?
We are learning about fractions.
And then, are you going to ask them what fractions are?
Yes.
So
A fraction is one whole. Is part of a whole. A fraction is a half of a whole.
So say it. All of you say it.
Fraction is a half of a whole.
So somebody said half. Do they need to know how to write half?
Yes.
Didn't you?
Yeah.
You said quarter.
The next part is quarter.
Okay, quarter.
And after quarter, it's third.
Quarter.
Before quarter, it's quarter. It's
Okay,
third.
let's just stick with this first. How are we going to introduce this? Yes.
A half is half. If you cut a piece of orange into half, it is a half, half, and half and half.
So what's the main thing that you have to remind them of?
It has to be equal.
And what else can you show? Please.
We can show them how is a half.
What a half looks like.
Yeah.
So do we need some shapes?
Yes.
Yes. So I've got some templates here.
We could use circles.
Should I write down the steps for you guys so that you know what you're going to do step by step? Is that right? Yes. This is the what?
Yes.
Everyone introduced. Then what are you going to ask them?
Can you show me a half? What are fractions?
Awesome. And then what are you going to say?
Can you show me a half? Show me a half.
Awesome. What are you going to what are you going to explain when you are showing them quarters?
Explain that a quarter is half of a half is a quarter.
Half. So this is half. So it has to be.
If you
Yeah.
half it again, you half it again.
And then your half of a half is here. So this is a half, and then you can show them half of a half
Is a quarter.
is a quarter.
We could show them. What about the work that we published? A work that we published on a blog last year.
That's a very good idea. Can you still find out that blog? Yeah? Go and find.
Never eats a quarter of
Cookies.
biscuits. How many did she eat?
Yeah. That's very good, Devlin. Awesome. We're going to be making some circles and we're going to be making some squares and rectangles.
Yes.
All right, we'll prep up and then we'll teach. Is that okay? Yeah.
We are learning about fractions. Do you know what are fractions? Yeah. Can you explain what are fractions?
Fractions are like half and quarters.
Can you show me a half with the square? Can you write 1/2 in numbers? Is it equal though? Check if it's equal. Is it the same size? So is this equal? Is this a half or not? Why is it not a half?
Because I didn't cut it and fold it properly.
No. Don't forget to say divide. Math language. The math languages. Why is it not a half?
Because I didn't divide it unequally.
Yes.
He's just taught you about fractions. What have you learned, sweetie?
I've learned that I could write in numbers. Half of a half is a quarter.
Are you feeling confident about your learning today?
Yes.
Yes? Do you think you can go and teach somebody else? Yes? So smile.
What is 1/4? Half of a half is a quarter. So, what is 3/4 of 16? So let's work it out with these. So there's 16 altogether. Spread them out equally. So what's 1/4 of 16? 4. Then what's 2/4 of 16? 8. What's 3/4 of 16? 12. So what would be the answer? 12. Yeah. Can you write it down here on the paper? So that's the answer. If you are teaching someone else, would you do the same thing? Yep.